Hey everyone, I am Kenneth Bertie Abukay from BSIT 1C. Welcome to my channel. Today I am super excited because we're diving into something really fascinating and incredibly useful in terms of programming. Let's get started. So, let's begin with the basic. What is binomial coefficient? Binomial coefficient help us calculate how many ways we can choose a certain number of items from a large group. Example, imagine you're designing an IT system where you have 5 different user permissions rather, like read, write, and execute. But you only want to assign 2 permissions to a user. The big question is, how many unique ways can we choose or can we do that? This is where the beauty of binomial coefficients shines through. So here's the formula of binomial coefficient. Ayaw kahadlok anang formula ha, i-explain na siya step by step. Okay, so in this formula, n mao ang total number of items in our case, which is ang 5 permissions. Ang k mao ang number of items you want to choose. In this case, you want to assign 2 permissions, which is mao na ang k. So what we need to compute is c close open at parentheses 5, 2, and how many ways pwede nimo pilion ang 2 permissions gikan sa 5. Simple ra, diba? Kung naa kay 5 ka permissions, then gusto nimo mupili og 2 sa ila, ako lang gamiton ang formula sa binomial coefficient or ato lang gamiton ang formula sa binomial coefficient. So, using the binomial coefficient formula, so atos lang unahon og pag-solve ang or evaluate nato ang mga values sa using the binomial coefficient formula. So unahon nato pag-solve ang 5 minus 2, which is 5 minus 2 close open parentheses factorial. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So pagkahuman ana, mag-proceed ta sa step 3. Step 3, understanding factorials. Now, about the factorials, which is, ang symbol ana is exclamation point, it means multiplying a number by all the numbers smaller than it. Simply ra kaayo ni. For example, nakuha naman nato ang value sa ato ang ipang gisolve. So, let's begin with the 5 factorial. So, 5 factorials is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 120. So the next is 2 factorial. 2 factorial is equal to 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Then the last is 3 factorial, which is mo to atong una nga gisolve gaina. So 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 6. So, ang factorial, dali ra jud siya kaayo sabton kung naay exclamation point. Pasabot nga, i-multiply nimo ang number sa tanan nga gamay pa niya. So, mao na to ato ang gihimo gaina. So, kay nahuman naman nato pangita ang ilang mga factorials. So, let's proceed to step number 4, which is putting it all together. So, let's now compute using the coefficient formula. C close open parentheses 5, 2 is equal to 120 over 2 times 6. So, the first one nga atong unahog solve is ang 2 times 6. So, this is the result, 120 over 12. So, the next step is i-divide nato siya. So, ang result ana is 10. So, kung naa kay 5 permissions, pwede ka mo pili og duha ka permissions sa 10 kalahi-lahi nga paagi. Now, unsaon man ni siya pag-apply sa IT programming? Well, this is super useful in computing combinations like, for example, user permissions. Diri makapili ka og pila ka ways imong pwede ma-assign ang different rules and permissions sa mga users. The next example is testing combinations. So, kung mag-test ka og different features nga sa imong software, maayo ni para kabalo ka pila ang combinations kung kailangan nimong i-test. Last example is cryptography. Sa data security, kinahanglan kabalo ka pila ka combinations of encryption keys ang pwede gamiton. Makatabang yun ni sa IT kay daghan kay mabuhat nga calculations using combinations like sa pag-assign sa og permissions og pag-secure sa imong system gamit ang cryptography keys. It's really like having a coding superpowers. And that's it. See, dili siya lisod sabton, right? The binomial coefficient is a powerful tool for solving real-world problems, specifically in IT programming, whether you're assigning permissions, testing features, or improving security. This concept will always be useful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video.